morning, everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about, with example, equation of tangents. With this example, I'm going to teach you on how to tackle equation of tangent. Look at this example. The example says that find the equation of tangent to the cycle x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 2y minus 20 equals 0 at the points 1, 3. Simple as ABC. Amen. What you help me do is try, after watching, try and subscribe, share it to your loved ones and friends who are in University Polytechnic, College of Education. Thank you and God bless you. It's okay. So let's look at this idiot. It's simple as ABC. They said we find the equation of tangent to the cycle of x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 2y minus 20 equals to 0 at the point 1, 3. Okay. At first, what we will consider is we are going to write down the formula or equation of the tangent. That is, equation of tangent is this one. Let's write solution. Equation of tangent is this one. x1 plus y1 plus g all in bracket x plus x1, amen. Then plus f all in bracket y plus y1, then plus c is equals to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. So if you can see what I am saying, we are going to solve this problem. They said we should find the equation of tangent. It's simple as ABC. Now, before we solve the equation of the tangent, we are going to make sure, take note of our G and F, also C. Now, the equation of the cycle is given as x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 2y minus 20 equals to 0. Two of us. Okay? So if you agree with me, we'll go back to the equation of a cycle where we all know very well that the equation of a cycle is of this one. This is the equation of a cycle, but the equation of the cycle is of this one. X squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So it means we are going to obtain our g. How can we obtain our g? Is we are going to make use of this equation of a cycle, equate it with this equation to obtain our g, f, and y. But I want us to remember one thing, that you know that the equation of a cycle, let us have the rough diagram. Let's have here the center. This is our minus g, minus f, the center arrow at point P, x, what, y. Note that the equation of a cycle at center, each center, g is minus, f is also minus. So take note of this because I want to do something so that you will not ask unnecessary questions. Amen? Okay. So if you agree with me, let's do it together. Amen? Let us solve this idiot together. Okay. So now, let us ask ourselves here. Here we have our x1, we have our y1, we have our g, we have our f, and we have our what? C. So how are you going to obtain, let us just concentrate on, obtain g, f, and c. It means we are going to equate, let us name this one equation 1, name this one equation 2. Amen? So we equate equation 1 and 2. If we equate it that way, It means, look at it, okay? X squared to x squared, that is x squared equals to x squared, comma, y squared equals to y squared, amen? Then, either 4x squared equals to 2gx, then 2y equals to 2fy, and minus 20 is equals to c. Amen? So this is how we are going to obtain our G, F, and C. Already, you don't need the prophet to tell you, your C is already minus 20, true or false. Now let us obtain our G. How can we obtain our G? Let us write 2G, let us write this equation this way, 4x. For us to obtain G, we divide through by what? We divide through by 2x. So if we divide through by 2x, definitely we will have 2xg all over 2x is equals to 4x all over 2x. This and this will go. Our g is equals to what? This to is 1, this to this 2. Our g is 2. But I told you that g at the center is always negative. So here is minus g. So if you multiply 2 by the minus, our g will be equal to minus 2. Amen? Take note, okay? So how can we obtain f? It's the same approach. We write 2fy equals to 2y. Amen? Then we divide through by 2y. If we divide through by 2y, this is how it will be equals to 2y all over 2y. This and this will go. Amen? So our f is equals this to this or this to this 1. But note that I told you that the center f is always negative. So minus f, use minus to multiply 2, we are going to have minus 1. Amen? So this is how to obtain our G, F, and C. So now we know that where F or G is equal to minus 2, then our F is equal to minus 1 and C is equal to minus 20. It means that we have the points, true or false. It means those points are talking about x1 and y1. Look at it. We have at point what? Point 1, 3. This is equals to x1, y1. So this implies that your x is equals to what? 1 and y is equals to 3. So it's simple as ABC. So with this, we can now use this one to obtain the equation of tangents. Is that clear? So let us obtain the equation of tangent. So what we will do here is, let's clean this. Let us clean this. Okay. And already we make use of this to obtain our C, F, and G. Let us also clean this. Okay. So now we are going to use these parameters. Our G equals minus 2, F equals minus 1, and C equals minus 20. Then x1 is 1, y1 is 3. To substitute into this equation of tangent. Okay, so let's do it together. Amen. So if you agree with me, our x1 is what? 1. So x all in bracket 1. Instead of x1, we write 1, take note. Plus y, our y1 is 3. All in bracket 3. Plus, what is our g? Our g there is, look at it here, is minus 2. So plus minus 2. All in bracket x plus 1. Our x1 is 1, isn't it? Plus our f is minus what? 1. Plus all in bracket minus 1. All in bracket y plus y1 is 3. 3. Then our c is minus what? 20. For the sake of manual, let us still write plus minus 20. equals to 0. Amen? Do you agree with me? Okay, so if you agree with me, we are going to multiply out. So x times 1 is the same thing as x. Then y times 3 plus 3y. Then minus, plus times minus is minus, isn't it? So minus 2 all in bracket x plus 1. Okay, I will break it down so that Mali and Stu will understand. Then minus times plus minus 1 all in bracket y plus 3. Then minus times plus will give you minus 20. Amen. Which is equals to what? 0. Okay. So let us multiply out these two brackets. If you agree with me, our x plus 3y, use minus 2 to multiply to give you minus 2x, minus 2 to multiply plus 1 to give you minus 2, true or false. Then minus 1 to multiply y minus y, minus 1 to multiply 3 minus 3, then minus 20 equals to 0. Amen? Okay? So are you done with this part? Can I clean here? Okay? Clean here. Amen? Okay. So if you agree with me at this point, I'm going to collect like terms. Okay, I hope you are following. Okay, let's do it here. Let's collect like terms. Collect like terms. If we collect like terms, it means this and this. This is how it will be x minus 2x plus. Then plus 3y minus y, 2 of us. Then minus 2 minus 3 minus 20 equals to 0, 2 of us. So x minus 2x is going to give you minus x, 2 of us. Okay? So here will give us minus x. Then 3y minus y will going to give us plus 2y. Then minus 2 minus 3 minus 20 will give us what? Minus 25. That is minus 2 minus 3 will give us minus 5. Then minus 5 minus 20 will give us minus 25. Amen? Equals to 0. Okay. So at this point, what we need to do here is for us to use this minus to multiply 2. If we use the minus to multiply 2, although one can leave it here, you are correct. But if we use the minus to multiply 2, this is what we are going to have. X minus, because minus times plus here will be minus 2y, minus times minus here will be plus 25 equals to 0. So this is the required equation of tangent. So this is how to solve this kind of problem. Any question? If there is no question, thank you and God bless. Make sure you watch this video and share it. Thank you.